Ja. Wat? Ja. Nee. Slaap lekker, meiden. Kom dan. Hallo. Niet dat. Kusje, zei je. Slaap lekker, vriendin. Ik hou van jou. Slaap lekker. Ja, dat is goed.
Ja,
Zo,
ja,
oké.
is goed.
Ga dan weg.
Ga je nog wat vreten?
Nee, nee. All right. So let's see. We're live. So let me post. Okay, let's start. Rebuild. Okay. So let's just wait for a couple of seconds before people can join. Let me see. How's the music in the background? Music okay? Let me know in the chat. So, or is the music too loud? I can adjust it right now. Hi all. So, welcome. Is the music okay? Or too loud? Just let me know so I can adjust it a little bit. If you haven't followed me on Twitter, go ahead. Sam Automation W and give us a follow. Let me get the link. All right, so this template, that's oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to enlarge the screen. This is better, right? How is this? Is it this okay for the stream? This is okay. This was the same like we did before. Let me know if this is okay, so we can start. I think it's okay. See, let me check one final thing, and then we will. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's start. So, this template, it's created, I think, almost a year ago. As you can see, the video is playing. It's just a short video, or 1 minute and 20 seconds, and all the images they have a little zoom effect. So what we are going to do is we are going to change this template. I already have done the heavy lifting, but to show you where we come from and what the first video was, is this. Okay, and now we are creating a video that's, let me quickly grab it. Where is it? Or do I have it over here? Yeah, I have it over here. Okay, let me pull it up. Just a sec, I'm going to grab the video that we are going to create. This is the video that we are going to create. It's a 12 minutes video, a bedtime story, and every 5 to 6 seconds there is a video playing. So as you can see, this is after testing several image models, image to video models. Eventually there will be a video rendered of 12 minutes. This is always possible with this template. I will show you in this live stream how you can adjust the template and what the core features are in a template. So when you are buying, downloading, yeah, I can't do two things at the same time. So when you bought a template, I'm going to show you what the core nodes are that you have to look out for if you want to adjust a template. So you can buy or download free templates. There are a lot of free templates, N8N templates. So never fall for the trap that you see sometimes on Twitter and other social media where people are reselling all these free templates. So if you want to just look up a template if it's already existing, you can go to n8n.io/workflows. We'll paste it in the chat. So you can just check if a template's already existing. So never just buy a template. Always check if a template is already available on this page. I think my templates are there as well. Let me see. Stem automation. I was one of the first. This is 4 months ago. I will just show you a fun little thing about my templates. Over here, this is the first one. As you can see, I was the first one with templates like this, automatic YouTube short generator. And after my template got published, there were a couple of people that just did a copy paste of my template and are reselling it for cheaper. But you can just, everybody can sell a template, but making the template work for your own niche and for your own specific use case, that is what we are going to do in this live stream. So let's start with this template. This template is currently generating 12-minute long bedtime stories, and we are going to adjust the template to create 12-minute long horror stories. Okay, let me see if I can. I'll let you know. Okay, so for example, this. We start with 3 little nodes. In the template we built, this is a function node. As you can see, this is just a list with all sorts of animals. For this, there are moral focus lists, so respect for each other, cooperation, teamwork, and from all these little moral lessons, you can just, when you're running this node, it will output a stonefly, being comfortable with you, who you are, and Fernfield Glen with Pebble Creek. Now, this is the setting, this is the moral, and this is the animal. If you don't like the output of this function node, you can just change this. If you are using ChatGPT or Anthropic, just copy the whole. DeepSeek works as well. I think I got an account, DeepSeek, let me see, because most people are looking for free options. So can you adjust this function node to be able to generate horror stories? Right. So it's really important to know what you are doing when you are adjusting a template. A little bit knowledge about JSON and JavaScript and how it works is it will help a lot, but you won't need it because you can just ask, in this case, DeepSeek to fix it for you. I've noticed that Cloud from Anthropic, I like to do stuff like this. So copy, go to Cloud, start new. I got a free account, so I hope I got something left. Just stories. Okay, so let's see how the output. Okay. So what we just asked was don't adjust the function names. So as you can see, if you go to our list, because if you ask it like that and you don't have the knowledge about the JavaScript or about the function node, the whole workflow will just work. The only thing that's changed is this output. So you can do it, just manually and adjust every word. But like this, you can just, we can test it. So when it's done, copy, go to the paste it, execute node, animal, moral focus, settings preference. So we got a doppelganger, a facial primal fears, and a silent basement with restraint tables. So for a horror story, that's okay, but we're not satisfied yet. So as you can see, Cloud from Anthropic is a bit better in generating larger function nodes. Almost done. So let's copy it and go to and paste it. And as you can see, the same output: animal, moral focus, setting preferences. So for now, that's okay. Of course, we can adjust the whole function node and just ask for crazy stories about, like the movie Saw, right? Saw. Yeah, you could just then you can just ask. I think, see, we can turn on search and make them really horror stories, like the movie. You can do it like this. Just give a little bit more context, and let's see what the output will be. Of course, forgot to mention, this template will be available in the school community. Let me see if it is. No, that's the old one. The new one I will, when we finish the stream, I will post it in the school community, so you can download it and adjust it just like we did in this video. Yes, yeah, okay. I like this output a lot. The only thing that we will have to check later on is our AI model going to generate these kind of videos. So for now, animal, furnace, door, moral focus, morality is measured in several limbs. You see that the used function names aren't yeah, not good for the horror story videos. So if you want to adjust that, we can just do it over here. These are the constants that we are using to generate the names. So if you want a different name, we are going to do it like this. Animal, horror, let's do horror, focus, just for now it's okay. Okay, we have to lowercase it, of course, and setting preference I like. And if we do execute step, we get another output. If you change stuff like this in the output, rename it. Oh, forgot to do one thing. Or duplicate it. Just forgot to duplicate the template. Let me see if it's okay. We have to grab this one and execute it. Okay, nice. So we can close this and continue over here. Horror stories, horror stories. Oh, okay. So let's continue. This is the first node we adjusted. So because we built this template, we know this is a really important part of the whole flow. We have adjusted it to generate horror stories. So for now, we will continue with that part. Okay. Then the second node is the video category. So because we changed the name of the horror stories output, the function node, we have to change the next node as well. So we have to delete this and just grab, drag and drop the new parts for the second node. And in this node we are setting the video category, so we know that the whole video will be using these settings. So execute the step. Let me stand just a second, be right back. I'm going to invite a special guest. Let me generate a link. Let me see to all right, let me invite someone to join. Okay, let's continue with the template.
Hey, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. Nice, welcome. So, just call out if you have something to ask about the videos. Video category. So this is the Google bucket. So if you want to know how to set up your own Google bucket in the N8N of the semi-automation school, you can go to the classroom knowledge base, and over here you can find the setup for Google Cloud Bucket. So what you will have to do is go to googlecloud.com, create a new project, name, of course, give it a name, go to credentials, create credentials, alt client ID. If you are doing that for the first time, you have to configure your consent screen. So just get started, add the app name, user email, click next, external. Eventually you just enter your email address, agree, and create. Then go to N8N, select the credentials, create new credentials, select the Google Cloud Storage Alt API, go to credentials, alt client ID. Over here you have the alt redirect URL. Copy that and paste it in the authorized redirect URIs. Then you will see, you will get the screen with the client ID and the client secret. Copy the client ID and the client secret, paste it into the credential screen, and press sign in with Google. Select the Google account that you want to use. Then you will need to create a bucket, create Google Storage, press create bucket, give it a name. Multi-region is okay. Uniform, and then you have to go to permissions. This is a really important step because you will have to create public access to your Google bucket. So you have to select all users and select these two roles. So the legacy bucket owner and the object owner. That's it. This is just 5 minutes setup, and you only have to do it once. Then if you have done the Google bucket, you can paste the Google bucket name over here. The duration is really important. 1500 words. That's what this means. So you can set this to 200, 100, and let's just do 100 because the rendering and creating the video will be really long. So execute. If you change something over here, you have to execute the step. For now, I'm going to show you that you can pin the data. Pinning data is really important when you are testing a new workflow, because so when we do a rerun of these 3 steps, we can see that the data is the same. So we can press that pencil and give this Saw movie. We can press save, and the output will be Saw movie now. I just select bloody scaffold and enter it over here. Save. So we have pinned it and we can continue. Then we are going to the important part of the whole workflow. When you see these kind of nodes in a workflow, you always have to have special attention for them, because usually, as you can see, this prompt is just insane. When there are prompts and agents and the system's prompt are like this, you know that the template and the output will be great. Because if someone is giving the agent such a great and good explain and contextual system messages, then that means that the output of this template is really great. So for now, we are using Open Router GPT 4.1. with OpenRouter you can use free models if you want, but for YouTube automation, never use free models because the output will be or the LLM will hit rate limit, or it won't follow your instructions. So best thing to do is just use GPT 4.1. And if you want to know how to set up OpenRouter, of course we have that in our knowledge base as well. So check out the link. I will just paste it in the chat of the, let me see, where is it? It's over here. And let me know if you have any other questions. Okay, let's look at the agent, because we will have to adjust the agent to make sure it knows that we are going to create horror stories. So for now, oh, I forgot just one thing. Did we adjust those? Video category, moral focus, okay, that's okay. Okay, then we can go to the agent. Horror, setting preference, target length. We open it up, you can see we have this the input like this, and this the same, just drag and drop. And this is the part that's going to be sent to the agent. Then we will have to grab, when you are adjusting system prompts, always do it with the expression in the first steps, because if you are doing it with the output, the result, you can see that they are already filled in. So the agent or the LLM that you are using to adjust the prompt will make mistakes. So always do it like this, with the input, adjust this system prompt to make sure it's generating horror. Oh, let's see if Cloud is going to generate. And let's do the same thing with DeepSeek. And let me grab the same prompt so we can check what the differences are. You're a master artist in creating. Yeah, I'm just checking and reading the output. So okay. It's always good to just see. Okay, this. All right, we have to adjust this one because we have changed the name in the first note. So check it, this one as well. Central thread. So I'm not sure if this will generate a good voiceover, but let's see. And we of course have set the duration to 200 words just to make sure that the output will be a bit faster. I will just show you that the output, why I'm using GPT 4.1, because it's one of the best GPTs currently in function following and tool calling. So come on, what's going on? Let me check something because I think my system is offline. Let me just see if everything is. Yeah, I think my N8N is offline. Yeah. Okay. Let me just check it real quick. Okay. Oh, nice. So finally, okay, we're back. We're back. Okay. Okay. So there is a mistake in the prompt. That's why it's not returning. Oh, I see. Because I have adjusted the. Let me check how long this is. Word counter. Word counter. It's 1,000 words. Okay. But for now, we are going to need just a smaller output, just to show you in this video how we can adjust templates. I think we.
May I interrupt?
Yeah. Go ahead.
I would recommend with live stream if we could go through some after this section through some B2B solutions you've created. Let's say, for example, the outreach tool you've made, the way that we can automate our whole outreach process to other businesses. And I think that's some pretty good value to share it in the on the live stream if you're okay with it with that.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, we can just do it after this part.
Yeah, of course.
Just remind me when we're done with this.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Let me. Is the music still okay, or is it too loud?
Actually, let me check a second. Music is fine. Music is fine on my end.
Okay, nice.
What do you think is the best starting point when you want to start N8N? Where would you start? Do you have like any courses outside of the SAM automation school community, or do you have like anything else particular you recommend or something that you've used?
I would just, if you don't want to start with school communities, or I would just go to the link of the workflows. I Let me check and templates. There are a couple of workflows that are like this. It's really helpful to just grab the workflow, read about how someone has made the workflow, and just try to figure out how this works. I wouldn't start with this looping over items, but these kind of little workflows, that's our I think that's a good starting point. You should
So
if
you
you
just so you just recommend to play around with it and then
yeah.
you eventually find it out. That's nice. But what if you have like a particular use case? Let's say, for example, the only thing you want to do is you have one. Let's say you have a e-commerce business and you want to automate your customer service, perhaps. Would you recommend still going through the workflows, or would you recommend the viewers to just search the specific use case for their problem and then figure it out that way?
It depends. If you want to create and create a solution by yourself and just want to be able to adjust it and adjust features, add new tools to it, you can just do it yourself. But if you want to have, I wouldn't if you're working in e-commerce and I would I think if you're working in e-commerce, for example, and you got a good web shop running,
Yeah.
I would just keep doing what you are doing and what you're good at, and leave the automation to a specialist,
And
because
let's say for yeah, sorry.
if you it will take you maybe 4 weeks to figure it out, and eventually run into some problems. Maybe try different tools, or buy subscriptions to expensive services. Uh, in the end, if you just add it all up, just hiring someone to make it for you will be less expensive, I think.
Yeah. And in what price range would you think of it? Because I found this Calendly link from someone that can automate your business, and it costs like $100 for 1 hour. You think that's a fair price? I'm gonna drop
Yeah,
it in the I'm gonna drop it in the chat. I think everyone that wants to start with N8N but is too busy running their own business should of course take a look at this Calendly link. And if you want to automate your business in the best possible way, just book schedule a meeting.
yeah. Thanks for the mention, but yeah, if you uh, if you have the plan clear in your own mind and you can explain it pretty good, then it's 1 hour is enough, and you can just explain your plan, and yeah, we can start build. That's the beautiful thing about N8N. A first MVP of your flow, it can be done in a couple of days.
Perfect, perfect,
So
perfect.
let's continue with the video because we are running into a little bug because the video of the voiceover is way too long. We have set it to just 100, so what we can do, we should be able to pin the data and just remove like the biggest part of the, for example, like this, so, and save it. Uh, just to show you that we can even generate longer voiceovers, unpin the data, execute the step, and send it again to the agent, unpin and test. So it will run again. Because the system prompt is so good, it will output close to those 2000 words a voiceover. And that's why you can generate with this template a 12-minute long video, and with all the other templates that you find, you can't do it. So if you are um,
Why is there actually a specific time of 12 minutes? Can I like maybe make the time a bit shorter?
yeah, you can. That's the yeah, of course you can. That's what I just explained. If you make the duration 100, yeah, then
Yeah.
in this case it will just generate a long form YouTube video. But
Mm-hmm.
if you want to make it shorter, like just 100 words, will have to adjust this part of the prompt because yeah, it will just generate a long voiceover, and you will have to delete 1500 words over here because if you
Yeah.
don't input duration, it will grab the 1500 words. And let me see, there must be something over here as well, story length.
Mm.
But this whole template is optimized. Yeah, look, this whole template is optimized to generate long form videos because people always complain N8N, you can't generate long form content. Here, 1800 words. This is 50 minutes of video.
I think you can just do the same with like regular blogs, right? Like
Yeah. With WordPress, WooCommerce blogs as well. That's possible.
easy,
For
easy,
now,
easy.
let me just delete the bigger part and we pin it. And we'll just showed you we can generate yeah, close to 2000 words voiceover. But for now we will delete the biggest part and just continue. But otherwise the whole video will take very long. Um, yeah, this the after the uh, voiceover is generated and we are using a function node. This is a really important step in all workflows. If you are building your own and you are saving money and because you're using a free model from OpenRouter, then it's always good to have a function node like this. And this is just a simple JavaScript code. Uh, you could generate this with ChatGPT. And as you can see, the input is like this. Sometimes there are line breaks. Line breaks are this is the line break. This will give JSON errors. So we clean the line breaks, other emoticons and stuff that we don't need in a voiceover. And the output will be like this: cleaned content, and this will work in every second node we are using it, or because I know that we will need it in the caption agent and the title agent as well. Oh, it didn't work. Let me just make sure that we don't get any more errors, because I have a couple of templates actually running now. I will show you in a second, because let me just deactivate them. I've noticed that we are getting those nasty little errors. Let me deactivate them. Okay, let's continue. They're done. So you can pin a node with P as well. The cleaned content will be sent to the Full AI text-to-speech model. For this, we are using Full AI, one of the best. Replicate is the same
Bro, are you
service.
showing like the Fall AI screen now?
Yeah.
We can see the N8N template right now, but you're not showing the.
Oh,
Oh,
let me
my bad, my bad.
just a sec.
Yeah, here it is. Perfect.
I think we are in a call, so the voice is faster than the image.
Ah, yeah, you're
But
right.
in the live stream, it should work.
You're right.
So,
You're right. Right. My bad.
in replicate the same stuff. They're offering all kind of models, but we are using Full AI.
Perfect. And let's say, for example, I really like to touch upon the e-commerce part of automation. Could you also automate things on like marketplace? Let's say, for example, you're a Dutch bol.com seller or a German Kaufland seller, or let's say you're a Amazon guy. How would you and what types of use case you see for N8N to automate on that part?
Um,
Do you have
yeah,
any use case, for example, besides the standard customer service thing?
yeah. I'm not sure, but on top of my mind, you could scrape, for example, your competition, uh,
Yeah,
check for the pricing, check for new products they are offering. You could do that. Maybe adjust your product description when they are adjusting their title. I know, for example, at Amazon and all those marketplaces, having a great SEO title and description is important. So that could be something you could do. You could just scrape them.
yeah,
That's yeah,
that's a good one. And let's say, for
yeah,
example, seasonality. Let's say you change your title based. You make like a workflow that says that checks a date, and let's say now because Father's Day is coming up, you change your title like Father's Day gift or something.
yeah, yeah,
Could you
yeah,
also automate
yeah.
that?
That
Oh,
could, that could.
that's great.
Yeah, you have to work with the APIs from those marketplaces, but that's possible. That's possible. So
Genius.
let's continue with Full AI. Full AI, we're using a text-to-speech model, and we're using 11 Labs from Full. You could just go to 11 Labs and make a new account, do it like that, and have another account with a new API. Yeah, I think that's just too much hassle for a workflow. You can, yeah. I'm not even sure if you're paying more on Fall than on 11 Labs, but yeah, just I, when you're working with automation and saving a couple cents on the output, that won't that shouldn't be bothering you, because you're just making automation. So you're outputting in a bulk. You're maybe making 20, 30 videos. So you should just make sure that all the services you're using are working as an automation. So 11 labs from Fall AI. This is how you can set it up. If you go to Fall AI, you can select voice on their playground, or you can go to 11 labs and grab the voice ID. So if you go to voices, you could listen to some voices. Oh, let's see if we can horror. Let's see.
Die Dunkelheit. A garden full of flowers is nature's way. The playful nature of animals is a boundless source of joy.
If we could find.
Just as she reached for the knob.
I can teach you the shape of eternity, and I can show you the beauty of
This is fun.
ruin.
This is fun. This is a good voice. So when you select the three dots over here, copy voice ID. That's what we are going to use in the node, and paste the voice over here. That's the value. What I just saw, where I just saw the price, right?
It will cost you everything.
Over here, yeah. It's
But you
20 cents for 1,000 characters, and at Fall you're paying 5 cents for 1,000 characters. So just go to Fall, create an account, and be a happy customer. Fall TTS. So let's continue. We're going to execute the step. Then the API of Fall is working like this. You create, if you send your post request, then you will have to wait, and then you get your result. For if you are creating very long voiceovers and videos, you will have to wait for, after testing 3 minutes. But for now, we're creating just a short voiceover for this live stream, and we are just waiting for 10 seconds, and then we are going to pull the making a get request. Execute step. It's done. Yeah, it's done. Okay. You will get an URL. You can go to the URL, and you can.
in the dying light of dusk.
This is pretty
Eva
cool.
shivered
This
as
is
she
nice.
pressed her back
Let me
against
send it to the
iron
chat so you
doors
can
of
hear it
road
yourself.
ribs.
So if you're
Barren
this
brick
this is
walls
one part of
hunched around her. The flicker of a lone
creating
overhead bulb slashing every shadow into something
creating a
sinister.
new workflow. It's testing. Just test. Test with just like I am doing now in this workflow. Pin the data, create a small voiceover, test the data, just like that.
That's a very good voiceover.
Yeah, for a horror story, it's great, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It actually looks like
yeah.
a dwarf from World of Warcraft.
Oh, oh yeah, I didn't even think about it, but it's just great. This all you have to do. Just like this, test all the steps you're doing. Okay, so what we already have done is we have adjusted the input to create horror stories. We've adjusted the system prompt of the voiceover agent, and we have adjusted the voice ID in the text-to-speech API from Fall. And we are going to use Fall AI again to transcribe the voiceover. This is necessary because we are able to render captions in the video. You could delete this, but then the rendering will break. So what we are doing is we are with this node mapping the public link. So you could delete this node and just grab this URL every time. But when you're building automation, it's good to have a mapping of this is called a set. So it's edit. If you look for this node, is this one. So in the whole workflow, we will know that audio URL is the voiceover URL. Then we are going to download the audio, and we can listen to the audio over here as well. Let me just quickly mention the key Fall AI API. You can set it up like this: credentials, name is authorization, and here you have to paste your API key. I think we have in the school community the Fall AI API as well. Let me see. Yeah, we have it as well here, over here. Yeah, so if you're a first timer and just want to follow all these little guides how to set it up, you can join the school community and look it up for yourself. So it's key, space, and then your API key. You can do it like this: key, space, paste your API key, and press save. Close. For now, it's
In
work.
the dying light of dusk,
Bro, I'm gonna leave the
Ava
Google Meet
shivered
really
as
quickly
she,
for around 15-20 minutes. I'm going to be back in
Okay, okay.
15-20 minutes.
See you later.
So
Bye
just
bye.
keep the
in the
Google Meet up.
dying light of
Bye bye.
dusk,
See ya.
Ava shivered as she pressed her back against the iron door's corroded rib.
Yeah, this voiceover is so good for a horror story. Okay, so we have download the data, and it's a binary data because when we are uh, using the Fall AI Whisper, we are sending the audio URL. We won't need this download part, but if you are using, for example, a different service, you're using OpenAI or another service, you will need this download node. So that's the hard part when you are building templates, and people are just grabbing the template and can't figure out how it works. Yeah, they're just getting stuck and stop. They will stop automating. So for now, this node, we could just deactivate it like this, and we can just run this node. You will see that this will work because we're using the audio URL, and the audio URL is this one. But if you want to preview your audio, you can just activate it. For now, it's okay. We can continue. We are transcribing the on Fall. You can go to Explore and then speech to text. Let me see. Oh, this one, and we're using this Fall AI Whisper. A pretty neat trick if you are struggling with. I can just show you better with Replicate. Struggling with all these HTTP requests, you can do it like this: HTTP, enter, import ccurl, import, and you have all the settings already set up for you. So again, copy, go to HTTP, copy the ccurl, that's this one. Look for a new HTTP node. Let me disconnect it over here. Look for a new node, HTTP, select it, import ccurl, import your ccurl, just paste it, press import, and you can see all the settings you need. So you will need to add your API key over here. So you won't need to add your credentials in here because you're sending headers, and this is your API key setup. For now, we are going to delete that. Delete that. That's just a little quick tip because we will have to wait before the transcribed audio is done. So let's see if it's done. Output, yeah, it's done. Nice. So we have transcribed every word from the audio. So let's pin it and let's change this back to minutes. Save the workflow. Then we are going to create with a function node a group of words. So for now, what we are seeing over here is that we are going to create 4 scenes. So this is the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth. If you want to adjust this, you can change these, and then you will generate 5 of 6 scenes. There will be less words in the group. And the transition will be 3 seconds instead of 6 seconds. But for now, we will leave this to 6. Let's do 5 seconds. And over here, so we will generate 4 videos of 4 scenes. We are going to split them out. So there are 4 items, as you can see, and pin it. Then we are going to the next part. This is something, this is so much value. AI agent image generator. Just hang on, I will just let you see how much value this is. With this agent, I've set up a simple memory of 500 context length. What this agent is doing, it's grabbing all these scenes from the previous node, we just grouped them up, and generating for every scene a specific image prompt. It's thinking about it, and we are using GPT 4.1 with Open Router API. Because the memory is set up story state, you can see in the system prompt that we're using a story state persistent memory object. So the agent, I'm not sure if you can show it in here, but because we're just using a smaller story, but the agent will prefer the state and remember in the story what the last couple of scenes were that he generated. So when you're making long form content and the first scene is about, let's for example say a horse, then you want to make sure that the last scene is also a horse and not changed to a rabbit. So that's what we are doing over here. I've never seen someone create system prompts like this. So if you're here and watching this system prompt, this is pure magic, pure LLM magic. But because we are generating a horror story, we will have to adjust it a little bit. This we will need to adjust as well. We're going to use DeepSeek for this. Adjust. I will just paste the system prompt for all of you in the chat so you can play around with it in your own system prompt for image agent. Oh, it's too long. Let me see. Yeah. No, I can't share it. Wait. I will. Do it like this and paste the Twitter URL in the chat so you can look it up. You don't need to make print screens and ask ChatGPT to please rewrite what's on the screen. I will just make it easy for you guys. Here, here's the system prompt. Okay, okay, let's go. just okay. Let's see if okay. DeepSeek is thinking really hard. Let him cook. Let him cook. Yeah, that's all about the image prompt. Okay. Let me just show you what I have done here. Oh no, that's no, I won't because that will be in the next part of the live stream. Let's see if DeepSeek is already done. Okay. Example outputs. No, we don't want cartoon scenes, my friend. Okay, we will have to do it ourselves. Right, so make cartoon style video prompt. Shall we make cartoon style? Let's just let's just leave it cartoon style because I think we will otherwise get problems with the image models. Come on. AI representation, character name, physical theory. Okay, that's looking fine. Okay, let's check what's going to happen when we run the agent. Okay, there are 3 items saved in the memory, 5 items saved, 7 items saved, and this, yeah, if you are buying templates and there isn't an agent that's using memory, just delete the template and start over. As you can see, the agent is saving the context of the whole story. So what we have created with this template is a storytelling agent. It's just telling a story, and that's just this system prompt. So we generated 4 image prompts. What we are going to do is we are going to adjust this image model because we won't use Flux Schnell for it. We are going to use an expensive image model. So we Imager 4, yeah, let's do Imager 4 just to see what the quality will be. Imager 4 preview. Okay, what you will have to adjust is this URL, and we will have to adjust the aspect ratio because we are going to generate long form YouTube content, and we will change this to JSON, so aspect ratio and 16:9. Okay, that's what we will have to adjust, 16:9. So aspect ratio, and we won't need to, no, we can delete this one. Let's go. Okay, everything is created, so we will adjust wait time. If you go to request, you can see the request already going. Yeah, Imager 4 preview, there's a lot of hype about it. I've generated so much images and videos. Just go to Flux Pro 1.1 Ultra, or just go to Flux Pro. That's even 1 cent cheaper. Oh, nice. Let's do as a test. I will just show you the result. Let's go over here. It's already done or not? Okay, it's done. Okay, that's just as a comparison. This is Imagen 4. Let me just switch it to flux. We are going to generate landscape. We will need nothing else. JSON image size landscape. So we will have to change it to image size. Again, image size. Should we do the safety tolerance? No, let's just try it. I hope it will work because it could give some errors. Look how fast. Oh, did we send it? Oh, let me see. Oh yeah. Okay, we have to use the safety check. So let's check the safety check. Safety tolerance. Okay, let's create images. Safety tolerance. Let's set it to let's set it to 5 and run it again. Request. Let's see if it will work. I think it won't work. We will get an error. Yeah, I think Flux will give us errors. Oh, did I do something? It's saying it generated. Am I on the wrong image model? Oh, I forgot to change the. Sorry for this. I forgot to change the full AI endpoint. Okay, let's go again. Let's see if it's going to work. Yeah, it worked. Oh, nice. Okay, so let's just compare these two. This is Flux. And this is Imagen Preview 4. A bit, it's not cartoony. So this is the last, this is the previous generation. And one is pretty sick quality. Ooh, it's hard. Okay, for now I will just continue with Flux, but it's yeah, this was a hard one. This is a hard one. Okay, what we are doing in this workflow is from these images, we are going to generate videos. So if you are building dynamic long form content, it's what you will have to do is to, yeah, you can make it static with just images, a little bit zoom, a small transition. But the nice thing about something I'm going to show you, this is real alpha, is model. Look, if you go to Full AI and grab this model, LTX video distilled, I will paste the link in the chat again. image to video model. If you go to this page from fall, and yeah, if you generate these good looking images with an expensive model, you can make movies or videos out of those images. I just use this prompt, static shot, and the model will determine the movement of the image by itself. So for a total of 10 cents, or was it 9? Let's see, what's the cost of this one? 5. For a total of 8 cents, you will get this quality videos. That's insane. This is for all those people watching. This is pure alpha. This will save you a lot of money if you're generating long form content with an automation. So you can just grab the best image model there is. Yeah, we just did the test with Imagen 4. We could do it with Imagen 4 as well. For every image you will pay 5 cents and make video of them with LTX, and total costed 9 cents. Yeah, this just, again, if you're still watching, only on this live stream you will learn these tips. So we are going to generate 4 videos from those 4 images. Oh, sorry, I forgot to show the settings. 720p, expand prompt, number of frames, it's 5 seconds videos, and these are all the extra settings. Safety checker is false. Let's see if we will get stopped. So if you are generating more, yeah, for now it's 30 minutes wait. I've just reduced it to 30 seconds. Let's see if they are done. Okay, they're still in progress. Okay, yeah. Go to analytics. The only thing, because it's a bit cheaper, you have to wait longer. So if that's the only thing that we will have to do, that's not a big issue at all. So let's see if it's already done. That's yeah, let me know in the chat if you ever generated this quality videos for just 9 cents. 5 seconds, 720p. Show me another stream where you will get this kind of value. Again, yeah, Fall AI, best there is. Okay, so let's wait for the last 2 that are being, yeah, they're almost done, I think. Yeah, they're done. So we can execute the step and we are going to get those videos. Let's look at them. Yeah, this video could get a little bit more movement, but you could do that. You could, for example, go to this node, file create images to videos, and adjust the prompt. So you could, after all these image nodes, add a new node and write a system prompt for an agent, a video prompt agent, and add it in here. But for now, this is a static shot is all we need. So let's pin all these nodes so we don't run them again. Then what we are going to do, we're going to limit the last item. So we know what the last item in this list of videos is. And then we are going to map the image link. In this case, the image link of the last item. So the last item is number 4. That's what we are doing over here. We are going to need that when we are going to render the video. Okay. Yeah, this step is a bit confusing for most people because this template is created like almost a year ago, and we are adjusting it now. But before a year, we couldn't do stuff like this, text to audio. So now you could, yeah, you could skip these nodes totally and just create, music for your video with full AI and this model, for example, the Google model. Oh wait, let's just try it. Dance, horror, music. As you focus, slow tempo. Okay. Let's see what's going to happen and how long the generation will be. I'm not sure. Oh, maybe, okay, it will be 30 seconds, I think. Okay. Then you could do something like this. Add an agent, AI agent, and create AI agent background music. And let the agent create. Okay, that's a bit hip hop. That's not what we want for this kind of videos. So that would be a great addition to this template. So if you grab the template from the school community, this is something I'm going to add. Okay, I'm just making a little note. Ground music agent. Because this step is a bit confusing, what we are doing over here, we are combining the chunks of the transcript with the words. Then this is where we need the bucket name. What you will have to do when you created the bucket with this helpful guide, then you will have to go to this YouTube URL and you can just download all royalty-free music. You can upload all this music to your Google bucket, but for now let's see if we have an horror. Let me listen to some. Yeah, this is a good song. This is a good one. So then you can upload it to your Google bucket. This function node will grab the selected music from your Google bucket, and it will be used as background music for your video. What you will have to do is you will have to change your bucket name over here, and you will have to change in this function node on line 30 your bucket name, and on line 7 your bucket name. Okay, for now let's just pin the nodes we already have done. We have selected music, and then we are going to map the music URL. This is the output. Map it, and let's continue to the next one. Okay, what we are going to do now is to render the video. So for this, we're using semi-automation. You could just create an account, try it out. With a free account, you can generate 5 videos a month. With just €9 a month, you can generate 50 videos, and for €14 a month, you can generate 100 videos. There is no limit on how long or any other limits. Just send your API, send your JSON, and the video will be rendered. Let me know in the chat. Oh, melting. Yeah. Great comment for the 4090. I currently am cloud hosted some GPUs, and I noticed that as well. 4090, 5090, yeah, all those new models. What did I just was it this one? Yeah, I was testing with the LoRa's from LTX video. I'm not sure if you're familiar with the LoRa's, but yeah, check this out. This is something I was looking into it. Yeah, this was it. Yeah, this was the link. You could just add a LoRa uh, to the LTX and generate real specific videos for all kinds of videos you want. Yeah, crazy output. I will send you the link. Something I'm looking into it, because sometimes you got a scene or like a B-roll in some videos, and it would be awesome if there's there's the word fighting or the word fight, and you will get just a face punch, just like a B-roll, little B-roll in every video. That's something I'm currently investigating and trying to automate. So yeah, if you just have any questions, or you want to book a call, you can do that as well. So let's continue with the workflow. What we are going to do, we are creating the JSON in this function node for the video. So this is the whole JSON that we are going to post to the API of SEM automation. Oh, if you created an account, here's your API key. So just copy it, go to your credentials. That we are going to do now. The name is API key, and just paste your API key over here and it will work. So we have created the JSON, background URL, image list, voiceover, and the transcribed words. Welcome all new viewers. So let me just give a little heads up what we are currently building. This is a template to generate long-form bedtime stories, and what we have done in this whole video is we have rebuilt it to generate horror stories. If you just look up the video, you can see what we have done. We have adjusted all the prompts, all the necessary steps, all the important nodes in this workflow, so you could do it on your own. We are going to pin the data, and then we are going to send the JSON to the API to generate the video. Pin it. If you're creating long videos, 12 minutes, yeah, sometimes it could take very long. For now, we're just returning it to seconds. And let's see. Let me check in the backend if the video generation is done. So we can just continue. Okay, it's done. Let me grab the URL.
In the dying light of.
Okay. Okay, it's done. So for now, we're going to save it and just hang tight. The video is so nice, especially the voiceover. So this is the URL of the video that we just generated. Let's look at it.
In the dying light of dusk, Ava shivered as she pressed her back against the iron door's corroded ribs. Barren brick walls hunched around her, the flicker of a lone overhead bulb slashing every shadow into something sinister.
Yeah. Uh, yeah, this of course just a short video for this live stream, but yeah, this is so good. Let me just save it and go to the latest post I created. Go to home, profile, and then here. Let me just upload this to this. Okay, this is okay. So this is some great video. Let's go to the final steps. Um, we have created the video, and of course, this is just an example of 25 seconds, but yeah, you can create these kind of horror stories, and I know that these are doing really, really great horror. I'll just look at stories. If you go to this page and see for yourself how much views these kind of videos get, it's insane. It's let me see, where's my chat? Over here. Look how much views horror stories get. People underestimate what people want to see. So for the caption agent, we are using GPT 4.1, and this is the bedtime story caption architect. So of course, we'll have to adjust this prompt as well. So let's see if adjust this system prompt caption agent. If I no, okay, yeah, I just got a free account, so adjust this. Let's see if DeepSeek is still giving great output. Otherwise, we could just move on to. Oh, let me just try it in ChatGPT. Oh wait, wait. I saw that my previous prompt is in there as well. Okay, again. And let's see what output will be. Oh yeah, for the people just this is what the template previously generated. A bedtime story of 12 minutes long. So yeah, you could just generate horror stories of 20 minutes long. There are no limitations. Just like what was the other JSON to video service? I think yeah, this is it. Yeah, you can go to JSON to video and pay 50 euros a month for 120 minutes of video, or you can go to semi-automation and go for a basic plan and generate 50 videos a month with no time limit. You could just create videos, man. That's all we are doing over here. Minutes of videos, see 10 minutes, 30. You have to grab the starter plan to generate long form content. Uh, sorry for the shameless plug of the service, but yeah, that's all what we are doing over here. Affordable service and just create great content. This is what I don't like about ChatGPT. It's giving the output like this, but let's see if it will work. So we will have to delete a couple of copy and paste stuff. Where is it? Okay, so let's try it. Let's see what the output will be. Oh, yeah, okay, it's okay, it's okay. And the DeepSeek one. Let's see what the output from DeepSeek will be. Okay, okay, no, that's I don't like this because it will yeah, that's currently DeepSeek they will have to improve a lot if they want to keep up with the rest of the AI models. Improve. Prompt improving, prompt adjusting. Just use Cloud Anthropic. Yeah, I just used all my generation for this day. But if you still have any generations left, always use Cloud Anthropic, the best there is. So let's see. Okay, there it is. Okay. Another thing I would like to mention. Let me check if I can pull it up to the stream. What I am currently building for the community. Okay, it's not reachable. Can I do it like this? Yeah. Okay. So what I will just show it in a second. Just let me copy this prompt. And this is this prompt is important because the title can't be too long. If you're running an automation and your title is too long for your YouTube video, the upload will fail. So this is great. And that's why we're using GPT 4.1 because it's great in following instructions. And if your instructions, so your system prompt is really extended and detailed, you will know when you're using GPT 4.1 that your result will always be just like you want it and just like you have instructed the model. So let's go to the next step. We just adjusted the prompt a little bit, save it. Using Google Sheets, it's not necessary, but yeah, the autistic person that I am, and I like to keep a list of all the videos that I have generated and posted, just to keep track of what we are creating. So let me see if, yeah, I can pull it up to the stream. So yeah, you can see that I have tested a lot of videos and a lot of different outputs. This is all part of creating templates. So after 60 videos, the final one, I thought, yeah, this template is ready to go to production and let people see what I've created. So what we are doing is we're going to add number 62. Nice. Okay, great that we are getting an error. So I will just immediately show what the fix is for this error, kind of errors. Because we have pinned the data, this node don't know which item it has to pick because the items are pinned in those nodes. So if here is in this JSON item, you have to change it to first slash bracket open bracket close, and you will see that it's fixed, and we have added it on number 62. The status is pending, so when we continue, let me just check on which, no, we're not going, yeah, okay, let's just, and set it to private. Then we are going to grab the pending video, that's only one. This could give some errors when you are rebuilding the template and using the template, but you are facing some errors. You will have to check when you are appending to your Google Sheet and grabbing that there's always only one item after the grab, because when there are more items, you're going to download more videos and you will try to upload 2 or 3 videos at once. That won't work. So always check if there's only one video with the status pending in your Google Sheets. Let me show you how to grab the Google Sheets credentials. You will only have to do it once, but here is the whole setup for your credentials for Google Sheets. And when you're done with that, just go to the SAM automation community, create an account, and let's start automating together. Yeah, it's some had to take some water. Okay, so we grabbed the video, and now we're going to download it so we can watch the video.
Light of dusk, Ava shivered as she pressed her back against the iron door's corroded ribs. Barren brick walls hunched around her.
I really am impressed by the output, especially the voice. The voice of that dude is crazy. Let me send you the voice ID. This is an 11 Labs voice. Let me see, where is the chat? Whoa, I can't find the chat, so where is the chat? Oh, over here. This is the voice ID. So if you want to use it in a different template or and now we are going to upload the video to YouTube. And it's done. Yay! So the video is uploaded to YouTube. I will just show you in a second, but the status is private, so I will just pull up the screen in a second. But I want to show you the knowledge base, and I think we got a tutorial for YouTube as well. Over here, yeah, YouTube as well. So you want to know how to set up your API and credential for YouTube, you just have to do it once. And after you have set up the credentials, yeah, you can see all the YouTube videos that we are automating. All right, let me grab the video. Let me see and show you that it's uploaded. Oh, I just saw that I made a little mistake. Can I do it like this, or it won't show up? No, it won't show up. No, the video is private, but I made a mistake to self-declared made for kids. I had to turn that off because it's a horror story. How can I show you this? I don't want to publish it on the channel because it will break my channel. I can make a specific link. Let's see. No, now I can show it, I think. Yeah, as you can see, so like this. Oh, the sound is off. Do you see? Yeah. So the video is uploaded to YouTube. I just remembered what we could do. For example, if you want to make the videos 1080p, so they're now 7020, you could video to video and use an upscaler. And do they offer that? Yeah, nice. Over here. They, of course, Foley does offer that. So let's see if what this is. Per megapixel, okay. Let me just check how the output will be. Okay, so the image is already. Let me grab just a sec, just to see if this will work, because this would. This could be something. Was it video to video? Is it video to video? Yes, video to video. Okay. So let's try it. Let me grab the URL video. Go to this. Let's see if the quality will improve. So we can, oh, it will download. So let's go to LTX. So let me see. Oh, wait. Is it done? No, not yet. So this could take a while. Okay, this could definitely take a while. So if you want to upscale your video quality, you could do it like that with this model and upscale the quality to generate even higher quality. You could do it with the render services as well, but currently we are, especially if you're generating really long videos, it's yeah, it could take a while. So the video is uploaded to YouTube. We're going to pin all these notes. Then we are going to update the progress of the video status to posted. And we are going to pin it as well. And then we are going to send a message to Telegram that the video is done. I can see the notification on my phone. And that's it. Oh, let me show you. Yeah, of course, we got the resource for you on how to set up the Telegram bot and credentials in the community as well. Pin that data as well. Let me see if it's already. Okay, it's still going. Okay, this could yeah, take a real long time. Are there any questions about this workflow? Is there something I could show you in this workflow? If there aren't any questions, we are just going to continue and move on to the workflow that we did yesterday. I will show you some of the output, and I will show you another option that I'm currently building for the community. So you all won't need to create accounts at expensive scraping services, but you could just use the scrape service from the community. Just grabbing some water and I'll be right back. All right, let's see if the video damn is still running. Okay, don't let me show you what we built yesterday. What we built was this, and let me show you. It's a Google Maps scraper. This is the Google Maps scraper. This is the email scraper. So first we're scraping all companies from Google Maps with this workflow, and then we're scraping all their emails. And when we are done with all their emails, we got a backup scraper that's running again and checking if the scraped email is found or not, and then it will rerun a couple of different scrapes, check the home page, check the terms and conditions page, check the contact page if there is an email for that company. 2, 3, yeah, okay, that's all. Okay. Then we will have one. Let me look for it where it is. It's over here, I think. Yeah. And then this workflow will send the email. So we got email 1, email 2, merge them, and eventually we'll send first email 1. This workflow has run today. This is scheduled to run every day at 6 o'clock. So today there were 31 emails sent. Nice. So this system is fully operational and currently running. So I will activate it again. So this one as well. This scraper is running every 10 minutes. We'll just do that for every 30 minutes because, and this is running every 6 hours. So this will run every 14 hours now. Oh, let's set it to a day because that's better. At midnight, it's okay. And this one is running every 5 minutes, but we are going to do it every 45 minutes. Okay, so I will show you one more workflow that I'm offering for free, so you can all just download it. This is where is it? Over here. Open it up. This is a WhatsApp agent that you all can download for free. I will just paste the link in the chat. This agent is having, as you can see, almost 15 tools where it can choose from. It has a memory, it can think, and we're using GPT 4.1. There's a WhatsApp trigger. You can send messages to the agent. The agent will respond with messages. If you send audio to the agent will respond with audio. And if you send images to the agent will, by default, it will describe the image. And if you enter a prompt with the image, it will just do whatever you say to the agent. These are all tools specific for my use case. So what I'm personally using this agent for is keeping my Notion with to-dos nice and clean, sending them to my email, calling for knowledge base from my website, calling for the news items, getting crypto information, adding contact to my Google Sheets, and so on. So yeah, if you are a beginner, this could be a bit hard to set up, but there are a lot of guides on how to set it up. And yeah, of course, on the community, we are offering the WhatsApp setup as well. So hop on to the community and check out the workflow for the credentials. Save it. So this is it for now. Thanks for being here during this live stream. Tomorrow there will be a new live stream. We are going to talk about some workflows that I have created for, that's this one, Baby Mythbusters. And we are going to rebuild that workflow into a special guest. Let me pull up what I'm preparing. Let's see if I can. Yeah, you could love him or hate him. Oh, that's not working. Sorry, but we are going to create a baby version of Asmongold. So, one of the, yeah, if he isn't in your algorithm, you will get to know him with the template. So, what we are going to create is baby versions of famous people that are going to talk about stuff they are mentioning in their videos. So this is a bit of alpha for the live stream of tomorrow. We're going to pull their latest video, transcribe the video, get an agent to generate from the transcription of the video the most viral moments. After the most viral moments are picked from the video, we're going to generate a YouTube video that's in the baby form of the person that's talking and making viral content. So that's just something we are going to try and build in the live stream. If you're interested in it, just come hang out and let's see how far we will get with it. So, if there aren't any other questions for now, all the links are shared. And of course, if you have a question, you could send me a message in the community or just go to Sam Automation and check out the WhatsApp community help desk we're having. So for now, have a nice evening and bye bye.